JDCap26 here, this is Tips and Beers and Hobbies, and I'm going to show you how to transfer from your card on your camera, your DSL, to your computer, because my camera does not have Bluetooth. Okay, so that's up next. Okay, so you need one of these SanDisk readers. It does compact flash, SD cards, and XD cards, I believe. And what you do is you want to slip that in there. I'm going to do that off camera because I can't hold the camera while I do that. So it's flashing there, and it turns green. And see no name right there. You want to go there, and you want to open it up. Okay. Then you go to this folder here, and it says Olympus. Open that folder up, and there's all your pictures. And all you want to do is either drag them all to your desktop or a folder, or copy them. So that's how you do it, and that's how you use a card reader. So I hope hope this helped you, and I hope you have a good day. If you have any questions, leave the comments below. I'll get to them when I can, and please subscribe. Thank you.